Now, I will explain how to use our jack and inflate pump. First, talking jack. This is a 2-in-1 multifunctional product with the functions of jack and inflate at the same time.
At any moment, a moment of truth. All my life I'm traveling like been.
Now I introduce the function of jack.
I'll float, I'll fade, I'll carry away till you pull me down and think of me sometimes.
Ensure the center of pressure road to align the loading part of automobile chassis.
I'm sorry for all I could not do. You knew it was coming. Maybe in some ways I did too. The keys by the bedside and bags in the hall. 'Cause all my life I'm traveling like been living in the sky. I'll float, I'll fade, I'll carry away till you pull me down and think of me sometimes. I'm searching for something in the ether of this mess. Riding above these
If coming across happenstance, for example, out of energy for a car battery or circuit fault causing the motor couldn't work, then we could fall down it manually by adjusting the safety valve. Just remove the hand of safety valve. Loose the safety valve with 6-angle spanner. Rotate about half circle by anti-clockwise. Tear the pressure rod first to the prior position, then tightening it. Next, I talk the function of inflate for this product.
living in the sky. I'll float, I'll fade, I'll carry away till you pull me down and think of me sometimes. Sometimes.
As for the common family car, the inflating pressure is enough up to 2.5 bar.
The daylight's fading.
Now I introduce how to use our another product inflator pump.